Diatom Dave here at Fun Science Cheltenham. I'm not in the lab today, as you can see. I'm actually lying in the garden. Why are you lying in the garden, you might ask? Well, it's because I wanted to give you some fascinating science facts about strawberries. This is a strawberry here. This big plant in the big blue pot. You won't see any fruit on it because as soon as a fruit appears, I scoff it before the snails do. Now, strawberries are actually a member of the rose family, which means they share a common ancestor with, yes, those smelly flowers that we give each other on Valentine's Day. There are around 200 different varieties or cultivars of strawberry. This one is the most common one. It's called Fragaria ananassa. See if you can say that with a mouthful of strawberries. It's otherwise known as the garden strawberry. Now, although there aren't any fruit on it, I can tell that this is a strawberry because of these things. Now, these things are called runners, and they're kind of like stems, except they go horizontally instead of straight up. And this is how the strawberry reproduces. What the strawberry does, this is mummy strawberry here, what the plant does is it produces these runners, and they travel sideways along the ground. And when the end of the runner finds a nice bit of soil, what it will do is it will poke into the ground and it will start putting down roots. And hey presto, you have a new strawberry plant. So here's the mummy plant. Here is another little plant. Here, ooh, where are we? There you go. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. 6 little baby plants right now. Not only that, they are all clones of the big plant. So they are genetically identical to the big plant here. Now this plant has been making particularly delicious strawberries. So hopefully that means that this one will, and this one, and this one as well. One last fascinating strawberry fact. Strawberries have around 200 seeds on each and every fruit. Why not count them the next time you have a strawberry? In fact, don't do that. Just scoff it before somebody else does. That's all for now.